How to fix no sound in Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and check for Google Maps over here just to make sure you have an updated version of the Google Maps application. So let's search for Google Maps, and as you can see, we have an update available. So you can simply tap on update and start updating the application. Now after the app gets updated, what you can simply do is make a long press on the Google Maps application. Give you the option to tap on app info, so select on app info. As you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen, so select on that. Now clear the cache and tap on OK. As you do that, you can relaunch your Google Maps as well. If not, you can just tap on app permission and make sure you have given access to microphone over here. So all of these are given over here. So simply you can relaunch the Google Maps and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.